So my girlfriend wants to make a skirt and a wrap skirt and wrap top with this material. I don't know if this is the front or this is the front. This is what she's using. So this is the material. I'm gonna cut it out, and when I'm done, you see the finished look. So this is me cutting my flare out, and everybody that cuts flares knows that you have to kneel down. So I'm currently kneeling to cut my flare. And this is just the full length of my skirt plus about maybe 2-inch allowance. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. This is like make a dress with me. So I'm actually cutting the waist of my wrapper skirt. That's what I'm doing. I'm just taking the circumference and I'm gonna cut it out. Now I'm done cutting it, and I just noticed that my sort of edges are not straight, and I'm just straightening it. Mind you, I'm not dividing my skirt into anything. No, I'm just trying to make sure that I have a straight edge. I don't know if you call it edge or something, but the sides are not straight, and I'm trying to straighten it. And I'm not cutting through to the second layer or the first layer. I don't know how to phrase it. This is just the top part that is not straight that I'm cutting. Please don't cut your flare. Now this is what it looks like as one piece. All you need to do is just wrap it round. Mind you, my friend that actually has this wrap skirt is not my size. I think she should be a size 8. Size 8, yes. So it's not my size. The only reason you could see this wrap skirt sizing me was because it needed extra to like overlap. And fortunately, that extra happened to be my size. So, when you add extra. So this is what it looks like, but we're not yet finished. So this our flare has pepper, and that's what I'm doing. By pepper, I mean spice. I'm trying to spicing up the flare. It's not your basic boring flare. So I'm covering it out. It has sort of like a high-low. Yeah, it's a high-low flare skirt. So I'm covering it out. But the stuff about this is you actually have to cut it step by step so you don't make mistake. So this is my first step, and I tested it. It wasn't giving me what I want. I'm going in for the second. This is my second cutting. I'm just going to be cutting it edge by edge until I get the high-low flare I'm looking for, the exact curves and folds and everything. So that's, I think it took about 3 cuts before I actually got what I was looking for. Okay, so that's basically what I am doing right here. Just making sure my curves are all smoothened out. Now you can see the skirt and how it looks. See, this is what I'm looking for. On me, it looks too much. I know some people like too much, but on me, it looks much. For me, anybody could slay this. But remember that this is not for me. This is for a size 8. And this is what it looks like on somebody that is very close to that size range. So you can see what our skirt, our wrapper skirt, high-low wrapper skirt is looking like. This is exactly as it is meant to be. I hope you enjoyed making this with me, and I'll be dropping pictures of how it actually looks on the owner. So enjoy, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.